What's up, what's up? I'm Rebuilder Guy, and today we're sitting in the office doing nothing. Not just kidding. All right, everybody's left, just me here now. I'm just waiting for the driver to show up from San Diego. It's wet and gloomy outside, but I am excited because we got a super bike on the way. The driver just pulled in. Where's my bike? Oh no, they didn't. Oh no, they didn't, really? Why would you transport a motorcycle like this? At least it's on tires. Yikes. Hopefully nothing's too damaged. Let's get it unloaded. Here she is off the trailer. I'm gonna get her inside right now and we're gonna start looking at the forks, or possibly tomorrow when everybody shows up. Oh, that's beautiful. All right, it's the next day. Guess who decided to show up? What's up, Mechanic Mark? Check out this new 2012 Ducati 848 Evo. Well, it's not new, but it's a new rebuild for the channel, so this is gonna be a fun one. We're gonna go around here and check out all the performance parts, the damages, and assess this, see if it was even worth the buy. And if you wanna know the price that we paid for it, you gotta stick till the end. You know how it goes. All right, Mark, can we go over this thing and see how much damage we got going on? I see we got some damage here to the engine cover.
We got the peg brackets here. The engine cover, this other bracket, I think it goes to
foot
the
holder.
Foot holder.
There you go. See, we got some damage to the stay bracket here. It's really awesome that the speedometer is still okay. Headlight, definitely should just get another one, right?
All the brackets are bent, broken.
Yeah.
It's all busted inside.
What do you think about those forks? You think they'll be all right?
It's always a risk buying a bike.
I know, right? Yeah, that's one of the things that I'm kind of worried about is this fork, and both handlebars here bent and destroyed. This gas tank also took a little hit, but it's plastic, so I don't think it should be too expensive. This guy put a lot of money into it. We got some carbon fiber trims here. This exhaust is really expensive as well, but that chain is kind of rusty, so gotta lube that up as well. Got some aftermarket pegs here as well on this side, some more carbon fiber. We definitely need to find some fairings for this thing. I don't know if we should go aftermarket or not. All right, Mark, let's start taking all of this apart and seeing if these forks are okay. So how easy are bikes, Mark?
They are the easiest.
The easiest project you can do, easiest rebuild. Fast, all it is plastics, bolt on, bolt off. So simple. Everything looks good on the bottom?
Yeah. We found a battery here. Hopefully that's good.
Yeah, I gotta bust out that charger. That's a strange placement for a battery, man. You gotta take off that fairing just to get a jump? Or you could just jump it yourself. Is it bad?
Yeah, it was broken.
I thought that side was good. It could have been good, but Mark decided to break things.
No, it's already broken. We don't need parts that are broken.
Okay. Hey, check it out. The radiator is bent too.
Destroyed.
Oh, wow. Let me go check the other side. Oh, yeah. We need a new radiator, man. And a couple fans. Hey, look at you wearing gloves.
I start with gloves and I finish without them.
There you go. Just like a real mechanic. Don't damage that speedometer. That's like 300 bucks. Nice. Ducati.
Now that's almost good.
Almost good.
Need to fix that.
Guys, mid-video poll. So Mark wants to do custom paint everything, take all this red and make it high-vis green or whatever, and possibly get these fairings painted Focus RS Nitrous Blue. I'm gonna put a couple color combinations in the poll. Let me know what you want to do. I personally want to keep it stock and keep it white and red like Ducati's supposed to be. But you let me know in the polls and we'll see if we go your route. What do you want to do, Mark?
White and red?
White and red, bro.
No.
OEM.
Change it. Change it. Just do something original.
Straight to the battery charger it goes.
Yeah,
How does it look?
It was definitely pushed up in there.
Really?
Yeah. The battery's still good. We'll give it on a charge.
This, I believe, is a exhaust actuator solenoid or valve.
Yeah, it controls it. It's an exhaust flap. I know I had the
Yeah, look, it goes
Ninja.
all the way down to the exhaust, yeah.
and it has little rudders. But that's to the cat. I don't think this has a cat. But they usually leave it on because the motor messes with it.
Gotcha. So yeah, I would definitely need a new one of those. And there goes that mangled radiator. Man, that thing's beat up. No saving that one, huh, Mark?
I mean, we could try.
Oh, look at that nasty bug. Get it out of here. Mark, no, don't do that. What is that?
It's a spider.
Why are you playing with spiders? No.
He disappeared.
Yeah, I know. Now we gotta burn the shop down.
Okay, seriously though.
Seriously though, alright, fork. Let's look at it.
Honestly,
Honestly.
it's good.
Yeah?
Yeah.
You think it's gonna be okay?
Yep. The turn radius is pretty good.
Let's rip up this harness.
The frame is good. That's the biggest thing is the frame.
The frame is perfect?
Yeah, the frame.
Perfect. That's awesome.
It's not cracked. Usually what would happen is the bottom would break. The forks we can change, but the frame, that's the bike. So the bike is still good.
So we're go ahead for buying parts, right, Mark?
We need to buy all the parts. Let's get this thing running as soon as possible.
What do you think? Next video we started up? We got to get that engine cover, man.
Perfect.
There's the tank. There's the bike. Nice, good forks. Frame looks straight.
I'm happy.
You're happy?
I'm happy. I can ride it like this, man.
Oh, yeah? If Mark is happy, that means we are doing something right, guys.
Oh, I can actually fit on it now.
So go ahead and go ahead and go on that poll and tell us what you want us to do with this color scheme here. But overall, looks good. We're both happy. I think we got one hell of a deal. We paid what did we pay for this, Mark? $1,400. $1,400 on Copart. I think we got one heck of a deal. Let me know what you think down below. We got a whole bunch of parts to order. Next week, hopefully, we're gonna have some keys and a new fuel tank and get the speedometer to work and get a new engine cover here and get this thing fired up for you. Thank you so much for watching, liking, commenting, and sharing. I'll see you in the next one.